move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Grimes, local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers, one of the top movers in Grimes, has a track record of providing excellent local moving services. Since they are locally owned, they're familiar with the Grimes neighborhood. As a result, you may trust that they will use their best judgment to deal with any challenges during the transfer, such as traffic, parking limits, and other concerns. You should rely on long-distance movers to provide a seamless, error-free move. 3 Movers is a long-distance moving company with a reputation for carrying out proficient long-distance moves effectively and protecting their clients' belongings along the way. They can help you with the long distance moves because they know the procedures for moving across the state or the country. Also, ensuring clients receive individualized care throughout the moving process is their highly qualified workforce. Additionally, their trucks and equipment are standardized and in good condition. The ability to provide packing and unpacking services, secure storage alternatives, and even car transportation are just a few of the many skills and resources that have to make long distance moving easy and efficient. They also consider the cost of making such a long trip, the quantity of your items, and the security of the possessions while in transit. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Grimes moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.